Hi guys, Sansol is back and today we are going to make an electromagnet. So let's start. To make an electromagnet, we need batteries, battery holder, copper wire and a metal rod of iron and some pieces of iron. So first we will attach the batteries to this and then we will take this rod and we will surround it using this copper wire. First we need to leave some gap like till here and then start surrounding. The copper wire should not touch itself. Electromagnet is a magnet which converts electrical energy into magnetic energy. It is a temporary magnet, so it can be turned on and off. How many rounds you make, the powerful the electromagnet will be. And some corners must be left because that part will be the electromagnet. So now we will connect the wires and this is an electromagnet. You can see it is lifting this iron things from both the sides. You can use anything made up of iron. Warning, wires and this copper in this experiment gets very hot, so do not touch it with bare hands. Do this experiment only under adult supervision. You should use 1.5 volt non-rechargeable batteries. If you like this video, then like it and share with your friends and family members. If you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Till then, thank you.